While we're talking about personal selling and closing deals, let me give you another one that you see all the time. This one's called the Ben Franklin or the list close. Basically, with the Ben Franklin, you make a list of reasons to buy versus reasons not to buy. It's your basic list of pros and cons. I don't really like this type of close, but it's good for you to see so you can spot someone using it on you. It's really manipulation is what it comes down to, because your list of pros is going to be longer than your list of cons. It's a good sign you're dealing with an amateur salesperson if you see this one come out. Maybe. I remember the Ben Franklin got me in trouble when I was first starting out. I had just gotten my real estate license, so I was like 18, 19 years old at the time. The second potential home buyer I ever worked with was the VP of marketing for a big national tractor manufacturer. They were moving him from California to Tennessee, and he wanted to buy a contemporary home. Problem was, there's no such thing as contemporary homes in Nashville, Tennessee in 1978. We were building and selling traditional brick homes. But I managed to find 3 houses that he kind of liked around town, so I drove him around and around and around. Thought I'd just wear him out till he bought. It was a long day, and he had to make a decision fast. After the 3rd house, we stopped at a restaurant so he and his wife could talk about it. Now remember, this is a trained professional sales guy. He was waiting on me to sell him a home, but I didn't know how. He knew which one he liked, but I wasn't really helping him out much with his wife. So finally he gave up on me and started talking to his wife himself. He said, "Okay, honey, we both like this one more than the other 2. Let's write down a list of pros and cons and see what we think, okay?" Now, I'm watching this, and this brilliant 18-year-old Dave perks up and goes, "Hey, man, that's the Ben Franklin close. I learned about that in my sales class. You're good." He was using a sales technique on his wife, and I busted him on it in front of her. She turned to him and said, "Oh, really?" And I never saw that couple again. Stay away from old Ben, okay? That one will mess you up no matter which side of the table you're on.